What's up mga koys? Anino Moto here. So it's been a long time since we had our last vlog. And if you ever wonder, we speak different language today, right? Yeah, we're trying English so that everyone can understand. Maybe there are viewers who aren't around in this country, right? So by the way, today is Holy Thursday, so it's a Holy Week today. As you can see, we're riding. We will do Visita Iglesia, and our plan is the different churches in the south of Cebu, mostly the old churches. Thank you ChatGPT. I let ChatGPT book my ride today. We have 7 churches to visit at the south. First is in Karkar, then second Bulhoon, yeah, Bulhoon, then third Oslob, fourth is in Santander, fifth is in Sambuan, sixth is on the Alegria or Bajan, and the last but not the least, the 7th is in Mualbuan. So all of the churches were old, just like centennial churches. So our first church, guys. So that's it mga koys. That is our first stop, the Archdiocesan Shrine of St. Catherine of Alexandria here in Karkar City. Yes, so that was the inside and the perimeter of the church. Well, it's kind of old church and it's a lot of people here. So now our next stop will be in Bulhoon, the old church there beside the coastal road. But I think we got first to have a side trip at the Siargao Cafe. We'll take a refreshment there and energize because Bulhoon is way too far. Let's go! So we're here guys at our second destination or second church of the day at Bolhoon Church. That's the Patrocinio de Nuestro Parish Church here in Bolhoon. And now for our next stop will be at the Oslo. Let's go guys. To Oslo we come. So here it is guys, Immaculate Conception Parish here at the Oslo. What a beautiful view, and there's a ruins there. I don't know what's the history there, but we'll try to see and we'll try to go what's over there before we get inside into the church. So that is the Immaculate Conception Church here in Oslo mga guys, and the other one is the Quartel ruins. Now for the fourth church we'll go visit the Saint Gabriel the Archangel Church in Santander. It's 17 kilometers as per my maps, because I haven't been there and I have no idea where the way is, so we use the help of maps. So come on, let's go. Gabriel the Archangel Church. So this mga guys, this is the fourth church we will be visiting. So that's the Senior San Gabriel Archangel Parish Church here in Santander, mga guys. As you can see, it's kind of old also, but I really don't know the history about these churches, but it's so very fascinating that I've come to visit this. Actually, this is my first time visiting here through Visita Iglesia. Yes, very nice. The heritage churches, the old churches here in Cebu. Nice. So yeah, our next destination would be the Saint Michael the Archangel Church, also in Sambuan. It's just the next town. So let's go. So it's about 17 kilometers. Let's go. And that's the Saint Michael of Archangel Parish Church here in Sambuan, mga koy. So it's very old. You can see to the structures, but they preserve it very much because still intact and still good. So now we're leaving here and we're going to Saint I think Saint Xavier Church. Yeah, so it's in Alegria or in Badjan. So come on, join us and we ride there. Let's go.
Kini ang kupa sa bagong kasabutan.
That was our 6th church for the day, guys. Moving on, we'll be heading to Mualbual, the last church, the San Nepomuceno Parish Church. It's in the center or in the poblacion of Mualbual. So I don't know how many kilometers from here, from Bajan, but I think it's near. It's almost maybe mga 20 plus kilometers. It's just near. So come on, let's go.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling.
Now this is the last church we will be visiting. San Nepomuceno Parish.
You carry
So that wraps up our Visita Iglesia today on Monday, Thursday. So that was the 7 churches we visited. The first is in Carta, second is in Bohol, third in Oslo, fourth in Santander, then fifth in Sambuan, sixth in Alegria, and lastly the 7th is the Mall Plaza. Yeah, just earlier. So that's it mga guys. So we're heading back home now to the city. We're leaving Malbual and we're entering Alcantara. So thank you for watching and I hope you'll watch me more in my future vlog. So thank you and good night everyone. Thanks guys.